Alright, welcome back, guys. Full check go Minecraft as Gaeilge. Um, yeah. So, I just ended the other episode. And immediately when I opened when I opened up the video file, I immediately went, "Ugh, I'm so boring." So, we'll start this video off with another word of the day. Bawn, which is the color white. Bawn. And I will probably not say that word again for the rest of the episode. So, again, I'm struggling with how do I make these videos more entertaining, and I really don't have an answer for that. And I think one of the problems is when I have recorded the previous, I want to say 12 episodes, so I'm excluding the last one, even though I'm sure the one I just made was boring. Breaking down the fourth wall here, I tend, like I do this often. These 14 episodes so far, I've recorded in blocks. Which is funny because this is a game of blocks. Ha ha. Yeah, and now I'm just running around doing nothing. So, super boring for you guys. Why are you watching? You're not watching. That's another problem. You're not watching. So, yeah. No one's watching. I'm not even watching my own videos. Yeah, I know. I'm not really. I don't know how I want to fill in these houses. These ni takana. I have no idea what the plural for house is. I'm not even sure tak is house, but I'm pretty sure it's Teach. Tak. So another thing that kind of delayed me is, yeah, the videos were boring, and then, and again, like, I didn't even intend for this to be 6 months, and I have no idea really what actually happened, but I had to reinstall Rosetta Stone. I don't remember why I did it or what prompted me to do it, but I totally... And forgive my language, I'm pretty sure I've given this warning before, but I like to swear a lot. So this is not necessarily a show for kids, but, and I think, the idea of a bad word has always perplexed me. In my mind, there's no such thing as a bad word because language is language. Language is about describing things. It's not the words themselves that are bad, but the intent with which that you use them. So I'm going to use a bad word here because I mean the intent behind it. I really fucked up my Rosetta Stone installation. I really did. I don't know what happened. So I feel like all my progress is gone, which is okay because that's like the second time I had to because I switched computers, so I lost all my progress. So I said, whatever, I'll start over again because it had been a while since I had used it. So I was like, let me start all over again, refresh. And so now yeah, because I had switched computers, and then now this time, see, now I'm just standing here doing nothing. These videos are boring, and you don't really care why I reinstalled Rosetta Stone for reasons I don't even remember. So, oh god, I don't really want to work on these houses while I talk about this. Okay, let's do this. So I'll take some. I see that. I feel like that. Oh, yeah. See, now I had a conversation with myself, and I totally excluded you, the viewers. Oh, and I don't know if you just heard that, but I just licked my teeth, and it probably sounded disgusting. Should I just throw out this video? It is not going well at all. It really is not. I am not happy with this at all. Anyway, so yeah, I screwed up Rosetta Stone, and then, you know, I just got busy with life, so I didn't bother figuring out. Well, all right. So then, how do I? Oh, I don't even know how to convey what I'm thinking about, but I wasn't sure exactly what I needed to do. Let's see, my inventory's full of stuff right now. I wasn't sure what I needed. I forgot what I was talking. I'm talking about Rosetta Stone. So with Rosetta Stone, yeah. So I really screwed up my Rosetta Stone install. So I have to contact them, and life gets in the way, so I don't bother contacting them, and then that, turns 1 month into 2, and then, before I know it, it's St. Patrick's Day again, and I'm like, well, I haven't really learned any new language, new words, and I haven't done anything to progress the series. So my thought with St. Patrick's Day was, well, alright, let me go ahead and just dive right back in. Let me try and ride the wave of St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I'm an idiot. Let me try to ride the wave of St. Patrick's Day and try and get a video in. Yep. So now I'm just looking at my inventory, saying nothing, while I decide what to put away. So I can do this thing here that I'm trying to do. Right. So, boring videos. Yep. Boring videos. So yeah, anyway, Rosetta Stone. So I kind of got stuck, and I haven't really been learning much. So that kind of, I dropped the ball with learning. So since I dropped the ball with learning, I felt like I can't do videos, because then I'm just speaking English. I'm just speaking Berla the whole time, and Laurim Berla the whole time. And that's not good. That's not the goal of the series. The goal was to speak a lot of Irish. So to not be learning Irish and then trying to do the series kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm going to try and give Rosetta Stone a call tomorrow and see if I can get some technical support as to what I did to really screw up my install. And I'm probably going to end the video right here, because I got nothing more to say, really. I don't know. Why don't you guys check out some other resources? Do a Google search for there's a guy out there. He, if you're Game of Thrones fans, he took the Game of Thrones books by George R.R. Martin, and he translated at least book 1, I believe. He translated the whole book into Irish Gaelic. So I purchased like 3 copies, and I gave away 1 for Christmas and all that, and I kept 2 for myself. They're actually really cool. They're really cool. There's, they even have a map in there of the Game of Thrones world, and he got the map translated. So Port Henry is King's Landing, which is really cool. So if you're a Game of Thrones fan and you're trying to learn Irish, definitely pick that up, because one of the funny things is that the fake languages of Game of Thrones get more exposure than the Irish language does. So again, hence this series. So definitely check that out. All right, guys. Slán. Ihewa.